Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use visual intelligence on macOS 27. To enable this feature, go to System Settings, find Siri, and make sure Siri is turned on. In the beta version, it's called Siri Beta, and ensure your Siri language matches your system language. Once enabled, there are two ways to use visual intelligence. Press Command, Shift, and Spacebar to select your current context or entire screen. You'll see two options. The first option lets you ask Siri about whatever you're seeing. For example, you can ask what is illustrated or what is this wallpaper, and Siri will give you an answer. The second option is image search, which takes you to Google image search with similar images so you can find information about what you're looking for. If you need to select something specific, press Command, Shift, and 6. Use the crosshair to select a particular object or group, then use either Ask Siri or Image Search. That's how you use this feature. To learn more about enabling Apple Intelligence on macOS 27 beta, check out the video titled How to Set Up Apple Intelligence on macOS 27 on our channel. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.